Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today we'll be doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being share. Now, I'm not always the greatest at sharing, but I guess I can put that aside for this video, so let's get into this. So coming into this piece, I thought I would make this piece something really cute. I always love when I see little kids, and babies especially, sharing something. They don't even 100% understand the meaning behind what they're doing, and they just do it anyways, and it always makes me smile. With this piece, I decided I would focus more with the Spectrum Noir fine liners, and then use the pencils and the charcoal pencils as more of the accent and shading for this piece. And I think the end result, combining the tools this way, worked out really well for this piece. But I am going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this super cute little drawing of mine, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word share. I think this turned out super cute, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you like my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!